Hello everyone, I'm Mike Sandoval with Remax Gold, and I am actually in Roseville, California. And before I show you 8349 Evans Tree Drive in Roseville, I want to show you what great amenities come with living in this community. Behind me, I have this amazing pool with a retractable roof that you get to use anytime you'd like. Beyond that is a built-in jacuzzi as well. To my right, I have a great amount of tennis courts. You also have pickleball courts and seating areas. To my left, we have a great picnic area, barbecue area, and private park. Behind the camera, you actually have 2 gymnasiums. You have free weights as well as other weights. You have a community area where you can sit and chat with your friends. There's an amazing amount of clubs that you could participate in. This community is awesome, and that goes along with 8349 Evans Tree Drive in Roseville. So continue this tour and meet me at the house. This amazing, less than 2-year-old house features 3 full bedrooms, 3.5 full bathrooms. Each bathroom and bedroom has its own private suite. In addition to that, you're a little under 3,000 square feet, gourmet kitchen, and a lot of great amenities. So continue the tour and meet me in the backyard. Now, wasn't that an amazing house? Well, in addition to the house being efficient, it has its own solar system as well. The backyard is very low maintenance. So it's a great house. Are you ready to take a personal walk tour with me? Well, reach out to me anytime at 916-798-9417. Mike Sandoval with Remax Gold, and I'll catch you next time.